everybody doing?
Yes.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
And now in Italian.
Oh, no Italian.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. I'll be your conductor on this flight. My name is Amy, and your talented motorman up ahead, that is Alan. Everybody say good morning, Alan.
It is still morning.
Okay, come on, it's still morning, guys. Let's try one more time. Everybody say good morning, Alan.
Good morning, Alan.
See, that's a lot better. I feel so much better now. So we are in Buena Vista Street, where you can see to your left and to your right some of our mom and pop shops here. But the best shop here is over to the right-hand side. It is the best shop. We're not biased, by the way, but it's called Trolley Treats. Now, you might notice in the window that there is a candy mountain. Truth be told, that was actually supposed to be original design for a ride over at Disneyland, and Walt Disney wanted to be made entirely out of rock candy. But there's an issue with that. Sometimes it brings unwanted guests, and it can become a sticky situation.
Oh!
So they scrapped it. Now, we are slowly approaching our courtesy stop here, so we're trying to get to Radio Street Racers, Pixar here, Avengers Campus. This will be your stop. Just please remain seated while the trolley comes to a focal. Please stop, the lights turn on, and the doors swing open. You can also meet some fun characters here, such as Goofy, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Daisy, and Donald.
Alright, this is where everything in the park except Hollywood Land.
So first we're going to Hollywood. Alrighty folks, we're going to be heading down to our next destination, our final destination. The end of the line, Hollywood Land. Now, if you see right in front of us, you'll see the Carthay Circle dining and lounge area. Fine dining is upstairs, the lounge area is downstairs, and you don't have to, have some fine dining experience there. If you just want to lounge at your leisure, you are free to do so. Fun fact about the building here, the Carthay Circle, is actually, it's modeled after the Carthay Circle Theater, where a very special, very popular, full-length feature colored animation took place, the very first of its kind. Does anybody want to take a wild guess as to which animation that was? You can shout it out, it's okay. Yes, it is. It is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now, truth be told, critics were calling Walt Disney completely bonker insane. Because they were like, there's no way anybody's going to sit through a 90-minute film of just pure animation. Well, they were obviously wrong, because look where we're at now. We're in the sister park. Ha! So joke's on them. And it's still one of the highest animated films to pretty much gain the most money. Like, it's competing with, like, Avatar and all those other films. It's still up there. Now we are slowly approaching our final stop, the end of the line, Hollywood Station. Just please remain seated while the trolley comes to a full complete stop, the lights turn on and the doors swing open. If you're trying to get to Monsters Inc., Mike and Sully to the rescue, this is your stop. If you're trying to learn how to be a Disney artist, this is your stop. If you're trying to escape your family, this is your stop.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
I don't really know how you get your legs out of the trolley. So that part just feels a little odd. Like, what do you do? Lay on the ground on your back, sort of lay out the window like a yoga master?
I mean,
Maybe.
It's possible. You never know.
I guess it's possible, but how likely would that be?
I mean, it's Disneyland. Anything is possible.
People will buy when he sees a foot sticking out of the trolley.
You heard of a high five? Well, it's a high foot.
That might be their sole reason for doing it. Sorry, I can't help with the puns. This place over here, I've been
I was
drawn to.
hoping you would inch closer, but then you just went to a foot.
I was told to toe the line, so.
Oh, you're killing me. You're hitting my Achilles heel.
Oh, that's good. Finally, my boss told me to shoot.
Is there enough soul in there?
Nope.
Sorry,
All
enough
right.
with this foot humor.
Everybody wave, people are staring at you. They're like, hey, how come they can get on that cool thing and we don't?
That's right.
It's a fun little ride, right?
It is.
Yeah. You don't go really fast, but that's okay.
Actually, if you have Pokemon Go, we're really good for hatching Pokemon eggs. Because we don't go 5 miles an hour.
Alright, well, we're coming up on our center stop. This is for everything in the park except the front gates. So this one is for, you know, Cars Land, Rangers Campus, Paradise Pier, Grizzly Peak, and of course, coming up on our lunchtime here, the Wharf, which is our giant food court. Can't miss that. Use main seat until we stop completely. The door is open. If you're exiting here, this is for everything in the park except the front gate. Otherwise, you go on this to the front gate. Couple brakes.
I'm gonna take a seat.
All right, let's do this.
Alrighty.
Get
Hold on, we got two more.
my dogs a
Come on up the
rest.
front gate, guys.
They've been
Come on.
barking. Like, come on in.
Gracias.
All right, those who just came on board, welcome aboard. We're going to be going up here to the front entrance, which is a very short little trip here. We do appreciate you riding with us. This is the most exciting trolley ride in the entire park. It's true or no money back.
We're free.
All right, passing Fiddler, Pfeiffer, and Practical Cafe. Starbucks.
You know, it's not much. That's not a very practical name.
No,
Yeah, it's alliteration.
Yeah.
But it's a mouthful.
It is. Like, I've never heard anybody actually repeat that actually in a restaurant. Good
Fiddler,
stuff.
Pfeiffer, Practical Cafe. Say it 3 times fast.
Go ahead.
Fiddler, Pfeiffer, Cafe. Fiddler, Pfeiffer, Cafe.
I mean, you're trying to like fill your mouth with some coffee, and they're trying to give you some wordplay. They need to change it.
Yeah, I do too.
I'll talk to old Daddy Starbucks.
There you go.
Technically said say it 3 times fast, so
Right.
He wins.
Boom.
He wins. Stop yelling at me! It scares me.
You got to call the police if that continues. Oh wait.
Wait a minute. Are the police?
Never mind. Yeah.
You can call me anytime,
This is
Alan.
our final stop. Thanks for riding with us, guys. We're gonna charge here a little while.
I'm just sad I
These are real
interrupted
seats
your
we saw the
spiel.
wheel.
You've had some good ones.
I probably did the same thing.
Yeah, no, but that was worth it. That was worth it. Twice.
All right, stay in line for a little while, guys. Watch the step there.
Where?